Sweet.
Hey, man. That's the first fish I caught this year, so. First time I. That's awesome.
Yeah. There you go.
Good job, buddy. Is that your second?
Second. Over on your feet.